What's up, butterflies? Welcome back to another lit video. So today we are making a blizzard from Dairy Queen or a McFlurry from Mickey D's, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're making. I have my obvious ingredients in the back, so let's go to the stationery and show you everything we're going to use to make it, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so here are my ingredients. So we have a pack of Oreos. I got the golden Oreos as well. You can also use M&M or whatever flavor toppings you want. I'm going to use some whipping cream. You can also use whipping cream to make whipped cream, or just to kind of make your ice cream a little bit more creamy. I got a Ziploc bag to crunch up our Oreos. I have a little beater we're going to use to do it. And the most important ingredients of it all, ice cream. And I'm also going to use this bad boy right here to mix up our ice cream. So butterfly subscribers, if you want to know what I want for my birthday in July, I would like a first aid kit, a blue one preferably. So if you ever wonder, like, hey, what Santana want for her birthday? A first aid. I said a first aid kit. Oh, goodness. Y'all, I just said first aid. Kitchen aid. Duh. A kitchen aid mixer, okay? So let's go ahead and get this show on the road and show you how we're going to make it. right, butterflies. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, it's quick and easy. It's really good. Let me taste it in front of y'all. It's definitely giving McFlurry. So make sure you try this at home with your kids or your family. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely good. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.